Patients can remain positive for weeks following the infection.
Some COVID-19 survivors tell us they beat the disease long before getting a negative test result back. Troy Washington is working for you to explain this and if survivors can get infected again.
Ronald Smith beat COVID-19 long before his test results reflected how he was feeling.
I was sick from the 10th, maybe until like the 19th. That's when my symptoms started breaking.
He told Facebook the virus is nothing to play about and used his experience as an example.
I finally went this past Friday and they were like, yeah, you're clear, finally. So it was a total of almost like 44, 45 days.
He says he took multiple COVID-19 tests long after the symptoms were gone and kept testing positive.
This is not a joke. I'd rather people stay home. I have been constantly urging my friends, please do not, because you don't want it.
Experts say it's possible to test positive long after recovering from COVID-19.
Patients can remain positive for weeks following the infection. And in fact, there's the Korean CDC report that patients were positive up to 80 days.
After recovery, the expert we spoke to says once a person is no longer showing symptoms of the virus like a fever, the person is likely no longer contagious, even though the virus might still show up in a test. The CDC suggests quarantining for 10 days after the symptoms are gone.
Once I had got it this one time, that was it. I am no more out.
According to the CDC, there are 7 different strains of the coronavirus. Smith tells us he's afraid of catching the disease again. The expert we spoke to says despite multiple strains, there's not enough research yet to say whether or not a person can be infected by the virus again.
Now, in terms of the reinfection possibility, this is something that we truly don't know, as we're learning a lot from this virus as we go.
Working for you, Troy Washington, RTV 6.
Currently, IU Health is using 2 medications to help treat patients battling COVID-19. One of the approved medications speeds up recovery by up to 4 days, and the other is believed to help those facing prolonged symptoms. More info on those treatments is available right now on our website at theindychannel.com and the RTV6 app.